respected ma'am and all the student. Today we all are studying about the bioactivity of aspartame and oxygen through computation. I am Subhayat Akuli, student of chemistry department, UG 4th semester. This is our short plan. At first we cover the introduction of our project, then we objective of the project, then methodology used, then main finding, and at last we cover conclusion and references. Introduction, mainly what is bioactivity? By definition, bioactivity can be defined as the effect of a substance upon a living organism or লিভিং টিস্যু। বেসিক্যালি কোনো একটা সাবস্টেন্সে কোনো একটা লিভিং অর্গানিজম বা লিভিং টিস্যুর উপর যে সমস্ত ইফেক্টগুলো হচ্ছে সেগুলোকে বায়োঅ্যাক্টিভিটি বলা হচ্ছে। Here I choose two compounds, aspartame and oxime. Aspartame is basically artificial sweetener. It is commonly used in diet sodas and other carbonated beverage to provide sweetness without the calories of sugar. It is also used in varieties of sugar-free and low-sugar foods such as candies, chewing gums, and desserts. And auxins, we all know auxin is a plant hormone. Auxin basically mainly help in maintain apical dominance, which means it favors the growth of apical bud and suppress the growth of lateral bud. And auxin is also involved in fruit development, helping to stimulate cell division and elongation of developing fruit tissues. Then the objectives of the project, we have used Chemdro and Pass Online website to analyze the bioactivity of the chosen compounds. We have done the literature survey of the compound, explained them in the project, and we have found the fully bioactivity of this compound. Sorry, ma'am. In fully we found the useful bioactivity of those compounds. At first, aspartame, in case of aspartame, we have four bioactivity like phobic disorder treatment, artificial sweetener, lipoprotein lipase inhibitor, and biochemical and oxidative stress parameters in red blood. And in oxime, there we have four bioactivity like 5-hydroxytryptamine release stimulant, dopachrome isomerase inhibitor, chlorodecone reductase inhibitor, and tryptophan transaminase inhibitor. Methodology we used, we have a Chemdro website, Chemdro software. We draw the chemical structure of our chosen compound and save them as MDL mol file. And next we register ourselves on the way to drug Pass Online website and predict the bioactivity of the chosen compound. In figure 1, I represent the Chemdro software to how to draw the chemical structure, and in this pictures we show the how to determine the bioactivity of the compounds. At first we in Pass Online website we go through the predict the compound, then Marvinges, then select our mol file, and then click on predict. Then we find the result of various bioactivity and main findings. Bioactivity of aspartame. First is phobic disorder treatment. Exposure of mice to aspartame produces anxiety-like behavior. The anxiety is elevated by diazepam, a drug used in treatment of generalized anxiety disorder. The aspartame exposure produces change in the expression of genes regulating excitation, inhibition, balance in the amygdala, a brain region that regulates anxiety and fear. Basically, ব্রেনের যে অ্যামিগডালা পোর্শনটা আছে যেটা আমাদের এনজাইটি এবং ফিয়ার রেগুলেটস করছে, সেই অংশের জিন রেগুলেটিংকে এক্সাইটেশন এবং ইনহিবিশন ব্যালেন্সের মাধ্যমে আমাদের বিভিন্ন অ্যাসপার্টেম এক্সপোজার প্রডিউস চেঞ্জ ইন দ্য এক্সপ্রেশন চেঞ্জ। Then there's artificial sweetener. Aspartame is an artificial sweetener widely used in various food and beverage products, including diet drinks, chewing gums, gelatin, ice cream, dairy products such as yogurt, breakfast cereal, toothpaste, and medication such as cough drops and chewable vitamins. Third one is biochemical and oxidative stress parameters in red blood. This study investigates the chronic effects of ASP on hematological and biochemical parameters and its effects on the oxidative and antioxidative status in rat blood cells, which are albino rats. Rats are provided with ASP 4 milligram per kg per daily for 6 weeks. In drinking water, increased food and fluid intake was observed in the ASP treated rats. Total body mass was significantly decreased in the ASP treated rats. And the last one is lipoprotein lipase inhibitor. Aspartame reduced lipid accumulation in differentiated adipocyte as evidenced by oil red O staining QRT PCR analysis showed that the PPAR gamma, FAP, P4 and CEBP alpha mRNA expression was significantly reduced in the aspartame treated adipocytes. Western blot analysis showed that the in, induction of PPAR gamma and adipsin was markedly reduced in the aspartame treated adipocytes. Taken together, this data suggests that aspartame may be a potent substance to alter adipocyte differentiation and control obesity. And then the bioactivity of auxin. First one is 5-hydroxytryptamine release stimulant. 5-hydroxytryptamine has become one of the most investigated and complex biogenic amines specific drugs which are capable of either selectively stimulating or inhibiting this receptor subtypes are being designed. This has generated therapeutically potential of 5-hydroxytryptamine receptor modulators in a variety of disease conditions. And dopachrome isomerase inhibitor. Dopachrome tautomerase catalyzes the tautomerization of dopachrome 5,6 dihydroxyindole 2 carboxylic acid within the melanin formation pathway. A series of substrate analogs and related compounds as possible substrate and indicators of tautomerization. The enzyme appears to be highly specific since D-dopachrome alpha methyl dopachrome dopa-aminochrome adenochrome methyl ether and deoxyadrenochrome are not substrate. Conversely, dopachrome tautomerase catalyzes the tautomerization of dopachrome methyl ester, suggesting that a carboxy group either free or as a methyl ester is essential for enzyme recognition. And the chlorodecone reductase inhibitor. The toxic organochlorine pesticides chlorodecone is excreted in human bile primarily as a stable reduced monoalcohol metabolite. This bioreduction is catalyzed by a hepatic cytosolic enzyme activity termed chlorodecone reductase. However, analysis of liver cytosolic samples on immunoblots developed with anti-chlorodecone reductase antibiotics revealed that immunoreductive proteins were present only in those mammalian species that convert chlorodecone to chlorodecone alcohol in vivo, like man, gerbil, and rabbit, and not in those species which are unable to reduce chlorodecone, like rat, mouse, and hamster. Tryptophan transaminase inhibitor. Tryptophan transaminase and indole pyruvate C methyl transferase are active in the initial steps of biosynthetic pathway of the antibiotic. Indomycin have been detected and partially purified from cell-free extracts of Streptomycin griseus. Then, in conclusion, by using the computational study, I was able to find out the following biological activities of my chosen compound, aspartame and auxin. And it is now clear that a bioactive compound is a compound which has the capability and the ability to interact with one or more components of the living tissues by presenting a wide range of probable effect. And in reference, we use ChemDraw, Way2Drugs, Wikipedia, PubMed, and PubChem, this type of website. Thank you.